I think I found the biggest cheat code when it comes to renting out vehicles. And I'm here to tell you that I recently bought a car for $5,000. Technically, it was $4,200 plus tag title fees. Total was $5,000. And you will not believe how much money that this car has made me so far this year alone. Most people, when they want to start the car rental business, they look at financing cars, right? They look at buying very, very expensive cars. And the truth is that the biggest cheat code in this car rental business is actually buying cars for super duper cheap. Okay. I bought a 2014 Honda Civic for $5,000, and that car has made me over $20,000 this year alone. And I don't believe it either, so I know you probably don't believe me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop the receipts for you to see. Okay. Now, let me tell you why this vehicle so cheap can bring in so much money. When building a private car rental business, most people think that a majority of people want nice luxury cars, but the truth is that this is not true at all. It's far from the truth. Most people, they just want a car that is gas efficient, that can get them to and from places. I'm Alex Otto. I help people start and scale their car rental business. Okay. My business model is to use cheap economy cars for gig economy workers. So what does this mean? This means that we can use vehicles that are 10, 15 years old, that are reliable and are gas efficient, and we'll have gig economy workers that want to rent these cars out for $300, $350, $400 a week, every single week. And the beautiful thing about giving a car to a gig economy worker is that because this is how they make the money, right? By driving for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. Because this is how they make their money, they will keep the cars for a very long time. And for you as the car rental owner, your job is simply just to maintain the vehicles. And 9 out of 10 times, you don't even have to be there to maintain the vehicles. All you have to do is establish a network of good mechanics in your city and simply send your customer to the mechanic. The mechanic handles the business and you pay the mechanic directly. I do these all day, every single day. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay. This business model is extremely lucrative and it's life changing. Okay. The gig economy is growing as we see more and more people shift to working on their own terms with flexible hours. Okay. And we see the more and more demand for Uber, for Lyft, for Amazon, for delivery platforms that provide convenience and speed and allow people to earn a living by providing a service. Okay. And most of these people need vehicles for this service. Now, it's very important to understand that the types of vehicles that are actually effective in this model are actually the cheaper vehicles. That is why I can take a 2014 Honda Civic and make $20,000 in a calendar year with that car. Because the gig economy workers, they want these cars, and I have demand for these cars all day, every day. And I teach my students exact same model. I have them stay away from auto loans. I have them stay away from all type of debt. Okay. Now, if you're in a position where you may not have the cash to purchase the vehicle, you can use a credit card. Okay. Specifically a 0% interest business credit card. That way you can take out the money, buy the vehicle, rent out the vehicle, pay off the card before the interest period ends. And it's essentially free money. Free money. Who doesn't like free money? So that's what I wanted to let you guys know today, is that when it comes to the car rental business, do not fall for the trap of buying cars that are extremely expensive. Do not fall for the trap of luxury and exotics. The truth is, the high demand is with the economy vehicles. okay? This is where most of the demand in the car rental business is. If you think about it, when you go outside right now, all you will see are economy cars on the road for the most part. You might once in a while see the luxury or exotic. You might once in a while see the Mercedes, the Maserati, the Lambo, the Ferrari, right? And even rarer and rarer as you go up the brands. Most people just want a gas efficient vehicle. And the beautiful thing with the gig economy is that our drivers, they need these vehicles. They need the cars way more than we do. And on these platforms, they can earn anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 a week. And if you as a business owner actually help facilitate their earnings, they will stay with you for a very long time. And that's what I created my business model on. I've been able to generate $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month just by renting out cheap economy cars. If you think about how insane that is, just by renting out cheap economy cars to gig economy workers, cars that you can buy for $4,000 and $5,000. And you do this at scale, you can build an extremely lucrative, extremely high demand, extremely successful business, okay? And in the car rental industry, all the biggest players I know, they run economy cars. I've been to masterminds in Atlanta. I've been to masterminds across the world, and the biggest players that I know, they are all running economy cars. It's not a coincidence. Economy cars are high demand, and it doesn't matter where you live in your city. Somebody needs an economy car, okay? So if you're serious about starting your car rental business, if you're serious about getting into this business model where you can turn a $5,000 investment into $20,000 a year, make sure you join my free Facebook community. There you can apply for mentorship to be in my mentorship program. And this is for serious people only. It does require an investment, and it does require you to invest your time and your energy. So if you're not serious, that's completely cool. You can just subscribe to the channel, right, and continue to watch the free videos. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button so that we can save more people from buying expensive cars, okay? Especially in this economy with the high interest rates, with 180-month, 10-year, 15-year auto loans. It's getting crazy out there, okay? But if you want to know how to turn cheap cars into cash flow, that's what I do. That's what I teach people how to do. Make sure you tap in, and I'll see you on the next video.